PC test build Corsair's ICUE link slashes the cabling from RGB cooling. Putting together a custom desktop with the last of the Lightning just got way simpler than Corsair's new PC DIP ecosystem. We knocked together a blend out desktop to see how it hangs together. Table of contents: if you have built PCs for a long time, some things are so ingrained, you assume they are just the way things are. You always have a fuss with tiny cables to hook up front panel lights, switches and ports, hooking up cables for an armada of cooling fans. Fancy finger work is required to make your PC build look neat. Any liquid cooler you hook up, granted it shall be a bundle of bits, screws and snappy cables that would make Medusa blush. Corsair did not solve those things in a day, but this week we saw a promising solution to some of that. We first got wind of Corsair's ICUE link at CES 2023 behind closed doors. We then visited with the company at Computer 2023, where ICUE link made a splashy debate, winning a Best of Computers X award from us. It alleviated the little cable qualbies we have come to know and loath to. For new ICUE link only touches the part of the PC build that Corsair can export the complete control over cooling and lighting. But what ICUE link does, it does well if you are willing to pay the premium for it. Corsair sent over a VIP kit comprising a whole host of its ICUE link parts for the hands-on session. With its new product line, we use it to build out a reasonably high-end gaming PC. Here's how it went. Wait, back up. What it's ICUE link again? ICUE, for those familiar with Corsair's product line, know it as the company software for control of lighting and input devices. It's of the same species as Rager's Synapse, Logitech, G Hub, and other vendor-specific front ends for the ecosystem of desktop PC gear. Uh, what a new hardware is compliant with the standard. Well, for now at least, it's all Corsair cooling stuff. The ICUE Link launch line comprises PC fans and ALO CPU coolers, along with a variety of cable and connector kits. At Computex, we saw some samples of the upcoming ICUE Link gear. Coolant reservoirs from for custom liquid cooling, a couple of GPU cooling modules, and CPU water blocks. A given ICUE link PC setup requires at least one ICUE link hub, a small square module that you can replace anywhere in your series of ICUE link devices. The ICU link hub attaches to USB header on the motherboard, and ICU link hub complaint devices chain of it in the either direction. The system hub could be at the end of a device chain or in the middle of one. You decide depending on how you have your PC build set up. The ICU link parts use and where you want the cable runs to go. Some ICU link products come with a system hub in the box, or you can buy one separately.